Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp status. First thing first, you don't need to download or screen record the reel. Simply share it directly with a clickable link. This way, even people without Instagram can view it in their browser. Open Instagram and play the reel you want to share. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of the reel, then select Share To. Now from the share options, choose WhatsApp, then select My Status and post it. Now your WhatsApp contacts will see the reel link in your status. If they have Instagram, it will open in the app, and if they don't, it will open in the browser. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.